Hey guys, IFLaReD here with PlanBDesigns. Bringing you a Sony Vegas tutorial. This is my first one with PlanBDesigns. I'm gonna do it on the Cod4 Camo replacement. Really simple tutorial. You guys might have seen it on my page, but if you haven't, putting it on PlanBDesigns. So let's get started. Basically, just import your clip. I'd use Blue Tiger because it just like, I don't know, it'll just look better. Basically, you're just gonna duplicate track, and I don't know why I created that. I'll delete that. Now just insert another video track and go to media generators, solid color, and put whatever you want in there. I'm gonna just do magenta, whatever, pink, I guess. Now nothing really happened, but just go to video effects, chroma key, and you're gonna want to click blue screen, and I already have a preset made for the Blue Tiger camo, and look, there it changed. Yeah, you could see like purple in the background, but you could just mess with this. And basically, red is 0, green is 112, and blue is 255. Pretty simple. And you can mess with the low threshold and high threshold. I have mine at 278 for low threshold, and high threshold I have at 812. And blur amount 0 because it just makes it gay. So if you want, mess with the stuff. As you can see, since I put the low threshold down, it like made the stuff in the background disappear a little bit, and it also made it less lighter. So if you want, just keep the low threshold at 0, and the high threshold, mess with it, but do it wherever you think is good. And I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it at 763 is good. So basically that's all to it. Really simple tutorial, didn't take that long. So yeah, that's basically all you have to do, not much to it. So basically, thanks for watching, subscribe, more tutorials soon. Alright then, laters.